Chapter 2 Case Study, Full Speed Ahead or Proceed with Caution. Okay. Social media platforms are providing a new way for companies to communicate with not just customers but employees as well. Social platforms that companies use now allows for communication between employees and customers. As a result, customer requests can be followed through with fewer errors and more efficiency. This in turn saves companies money, time, and allows them to produce products faster. These social platforms such as Chatter are becoming more popular and companies are starting to utilize them more.
Identify the management, organization, and technology factors responsible for impeding adoption of internal corporate social networks. Management in Carlo's Bake Shop recognized that being a heavily paper-based company was hurting business due to employee error and miscommunication when doing paperwork. Carlo decided to implement the use of Chatter, an internal social networking program, so that all employees will be informed of every detail of the project from order to delivery, even if they are out of work for a day or two. In the end, errors were down by 30%. Organization also played a role in the adoption of Chatter because it allowed people to view order streams and digitalize the paperwork, making it easy to edit and access. Technology played a role in the adoption of social networks because a lot of these programs, such as Facebook, Chatter, etc., require a phone or computer to access. So each person would have to have that technology available to them in order for programs to be useful. Compare the experiences implementing internal social networks of the two organizations described in this case. Why were they successful and what role did management play in this process? Both Bayer Material Sciences and Carlo's Bake Shop adapted online social networks to better organize their businesses. The management of each company implemented the social aspects by using it to intake and store data. By using this new technology, Carlo's Bake Shop successfully cut back in order errors in processing time, making their company more efficient. Bayer Material Sciences adapted a better system for collecting, organizing, and storing data to promote collaboration.
Why should all companies implement internal enterprise social networks? Why or why not? Yes, all companies should implement internal enterprise social networks because it will reduce miscommunication among employees, keep everyone up to date on current projects, day-to-day activities, and help with organization by keeping everything business-related in one location. Even though having these internal social networks is beneficial, for example, you could stay in the loop even if you have to be out of work for a day or a week, companies should still implement face-to-face interaction in order to ensure efficient leadership and communication, as well as to keep technology from completely running the company.
IBM Connections and Sprout are both internal social networks just a couple years apart, so you can watch the videos to tell the difference between the two. Businesses that use social media platforms use collaboration to work with others to achieve shared and explicit goals, have customer relationship management systems or CRM to help manage their relationships with their customers, and are provided with more electronic business and commerce, which both use digital technology and the internet to execute the major business process in the enterprise.
Critical thinking questions. Could these social media platforms be susceptible to hacking or identity theft? How would businesses proceed with this? With multiple platforms around, could businesses collaborate and manage various companies together if they are based on different platforms? Yes, they are susceptible to hacking like any other technology. However, businesses can download anti-hacking software to prevent this. There could be some software or program that can link different platforms.
Conclusion. Enterprise social networks will become the main communication channels for noticing, deciding on, or acting on information pertaining to carrying out work. Business who implement these social networks have the opportunity to improve communication efficiency and accuracy for the company. Social networks are continuing to grow and better companies all around the world.